This is the one mod that I've been dying to get. Y'all just have no idea. In my hands is something that I absolutely needed, and I'm glad it's a company that I get to work with that I've been following for years. My name is Ray. I run this channel, Noir.TM. I'm doing a turbo LS swap on my 370Z. It's taking me some time, but that's because I'm trying to do a mild build and keep the budget low, but at the same time not too cheap. This is my intercooler from Switchback Racing. I've been working on this for about 4 months already, so I'm piecing things again, a little slow, but we're finally moving forward. Finally got the Switchback Racing intercooler for my 370Z. They were awesome enough to make me a custom intercooler. I'm just gonna go ahead and hop right into it, waste no time, and just show y'all, like, your boy's hype, dude. Thankfully, I left the front bumper ready to go to come off because I knew this mod was coming soon. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. And the intercooler actually mounts where the crash bar would. So I do have to, if I want this, I do have to get a crash bar for it. But if not, it's just gonna be all intercooler. It does look this simple. So look guys, Hendrick Ryan, let me know if I installed it wrong, but it looks like it just connects to the lower stud for the crash support where the crash bar is supposed to go. And then that's on both sides. So honestly, that's it. I mean, I still of course have to get the piping and everything, but it's so sick. And thank you Hendrick, for just counseling me, because now that it's installed, let me just tell you guys what this is, because he walked me through and told me exactly what kind of intercooler to get, because it might be more efficient for my setup. So this is a 24x8 by 3.5 intercooler from Switchback Racing. Now, I'm no intercooler expert, and I'm not going to pretend to be one. Hendrix did help me out a lot with selecting which intercooler core to go with, and he recommended doing the vertical flow because he's noticed in his research that it is a lot better. So with this intercooler specifically, Hendrix actually recommended this for me because he thought that this might be more efficient. Now, like I said, I'm not an intercoolerologist. I'm not going to pretend to be one, but I'm going to listen to the guy that actually makes them for a living. So it's vertical flow. Apparently I don't know. I wish I could just like finesse this video and tell y'all how it really works. I'm not really going to try and finesse that, but I'm just happy. It's more, apparently it's great for the LS swap that I'm doing. The core is big enough for the power goal that I have, because like I said, I'm shooting anywhere between 600 to 800. I do plan to build on it in the future. Until then, when I shoot for the 4-digit numbers, they do have a bigger intercooler that I believe is going to be released, and more than likely going to be the one that tests that one out. But for now, this is the one that we're rocking with, and I'm super hyped. I gotta appreciate my girlfriend. She actually was trying to make sure she doesn't interrupt my shot, so thanks, babe. I love you. Switchback Racing has been a fantastic company, and I have other homies in the industries that make intercoolers, and I almost went with them. And I can't express how excited I am working with Switchback Racing, because I've been a huge fan of their turbo kits for over 5 years. These guys are the guys. They make awesome turbo kits. They make amazing intercoolers, and I'm more than happy to have them a part of the build and continue forward. And if I ever get back into the VQ game, it's between the, they're one of those turbo kits that I think I hype up the most, and I'd be more than happy to run on my car. So if y'all have VQs, you know who to go for. You guys are looking for a good affordable intercooler for your turbo LS swap. It's not just specific to my car. They can make it for anybody's car. So this just happens to have brackets that will fit on the 370Z absolutely perfect. I'm gonna bolt these up later. I do have to get my mom from the airport, so I'm just gonna leave this as is. It's not gonna go anywhere. I'm gonna button up the bumper. I'm not gonna lock down anything for now. Thankfully, I live in a good neighborhood, so I'm not too worried about it. Let's get this thing back together. Oh, so we gotta, all right, I'm gonna do this like camera towards me, because you know how it is when you put on intercooler, you see that thing like in the front of the bumper, you gotta see the, oh damn, yes dude. So I told Switchback, I was like, you guys should have a stencil so that way you can spray it on the front of the intercooler to just have good marketing and a good brand presence. That's like, it's just an awesome flex to have. So I don't know, that's when you know this thing's about to make some jam. And I also love how concealed it is too. It fits perfect. The bumper is not smacking it at all. I don't have to cut or anything, so that's lit. Maybe far okay, no, you can definitely tell that it's turboed, but oh, it looks so sick, dude. when you walk up to this thing, it's obviously when it's on the ground and doesn't have, it's not levitating and stuff, maybe it might be a little bit more concealed, I don't know. But I'm one of those guys where I want you to know, but I don't want you to know, but you're gonna hear it. So the good thing is I do have a big turbo on the way. Should be here on Monday, I believe. I don't even want to go back in the house, dude. I just want to keep looking at it. It's so sick. I gotta hurry, pick up my mom. And one more thing I want to do is my mom has not seen my car in over 2 years. So ever since I left Miami, obviously she has not been able to see the thing in person. I'm really curious to see what her reaction is going to be, because the wheels are different, new carbon fibre hood, massive ignorant wing, the Morimoto taillights, so they're black housing, complete different from OEM. I got a pocket person with pizza, Morimoto headlights. I don't even think I had those when I left. So when she's here, I'm gonna get her reaction a lot like what I did with Battle on the Wheels. Let's see. All right, hold on. My girlfriend's out here like critiquing. All right, so it looks like you and I are the complete opposite. What would you want? Safo camera?
To flex it, to show it.
So you would want me to cut the grill out so that way you can see the intercooler more?
Yeah, then why do you have that then?
You know, it's so funny when you're dating somebody, like how you can find how different but yet the same you guys are. Like I was telling them, like, I'm actually kind of happy you can hide it a little bit. Like it's there, you know, it's there, but it's like,
why would you want to hide it? Because
it's like I have no legitimate reason to give you. I just don't know. I just all right, as promised, you haven't seen my car in like 2 years, right?
No, it's been a long time.
Now this is me mom, by the way, so yeah, that's her.
Hey!
Okay, but I like your shoes.
My little bumblebees.
Yeah, like what the hell?
Bumblebees.
No, but yeah, all right, so now that you haven't seen this thing in like 2 years, because I remember you saw it when it was in the same kind of ghetto like condition when I was doing the VR swap.
Yep.
But now that you see it, all right, wheels and wing, how you feel about that?
I like the wheel.
Okay, so I got a pass. How do you feel about the wing?
I don't know, I'm kind of iffy on the wing.
All right, so I'm gonna have to get rid of my mother. All right, and then and then look, peep this. And then I know this is different. Now we have a V8 in here.
Ooh. Look at this.
So do we approve of the V8?
Got it.
Well, yeah, I don't know. I just wanted to show you, 'cause it's been a hot minute. You don't gotta, why you gotta hit on the wings so much? The heck? All right, whatever, man. Forget her. The wing's dope. Shout out to Noir.TM Racing for supporting the build. She's drunk. But thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you. Yeah, we're gonna just
Peace.
yell. Yeah, okay. Yeah, peace. See you on the next video. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I didn't do that.